Today's Porsche is the 1997 993 Coupe. It is in rare pastel yellow. It's been collector owned, cared for by a friend of ours for many years, and we're gonna take it for a ride. Okay, well, it's been outside all day, so here's our cold start. Click the alarm remote. Bam.
Good look. If there's a cool show that's coming.
Oh, look at this. A nice Porsche exclusive vintage radio with all the modern amenities. We're going to figure out how to shut that off. I'm going to warm it up and put my seatbelt on. Lovely color-coded yellow seatbelts. Adjust the AC a little bit. Put the window up. As I said, collector owned by a friend of ours. Aluminum shift handle, handbrake handle, and so much more.
How much more?
So much more.
Oh my God.
There he goes, talking again. Once again, not much to say when you have a really proper Porsche that's been maintained well, cared for well. They do everything right. So as we're warming it up, I would like to have my cohort here, Jason Post, tell you some of the options this car actually has.
Okay.
So, Jason, what's so special about this?
Well, I can tell you that when you open up, and I keep in mind, I'm holding the camera with one hand, and I do have a reference card in the other hand, so I do want recognition for that.
Can you just tell them what options we have?
Sure. So when you look at that data sticker, it is filled with a bunch of awesome options. So it's a US spec car, stainless steel exhaust tips. It's got a torque, it's got an LSD, excuse me.
Limited slip differential.
Okay.
Just for those who are not like
all right, Bill
totally
Nye.
car oriented.
Bill Nye, the science guy, okay. We've got sport chassis with 18-inch wheels. So originally it came with sport springs, sport suspension. This has been upgraded to Bilstein PSS 10s. Yellow brake calipers, Aero kit front and back. So front lip spoiler, rear and side motor sound package, which is awesome.
Sunroof.
Oh, it's got a nice sunroof. We've got storage in place of rear seats. Who needs rear seats in a 911? Not moi.
What else does it have?
Electronic headlamps, and it's also been upgraded. So the previous owner chose, I would say, some really tasteful upgrades. RS motor mounts, RS mufflers, goldenrod shift kit. So I call this C2 almost like an RS Lite. You get a bunch of RS options, RS upgrades.
He meant RS lightweight.
No, not really.
Oh, it's RS Light, so it's like a Diet Coke.
Yeah, like a Diet Coke.
It's like a Diet Coke.
Yeah, that's what I meant. So it's not nearly as aggressive as, obviously, a real RS, and it's much more usable, I think.
Comfortable.
It's much more comfortable.
But sporty.
Yet sporty.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
With every amenity.
Right, the AC right now is awesome. It's warm out. I wouldn't say it's hot. It's warm. The AC is ice cold.
I'm going to throw a shout out to one of our friends and clients, Sebastian. He enjoys that on every video we actually make mention of the AC system. We also always go and say the horn works really well. And brakes to match. So Seb, the AC works great. The radio works great. And the reason he's always thinking about our mentioning the AC is because he lives in Dallas. So basically every car I've ever owned, if it comes from Dallas, it could be the biggest rusted heap, but the AC will always work well. I'm gonna turn down here. You know, it's been a while. We took a little break from a couple of videos. It was really sweltering hot, and I felt badly, and I never wanted to really just stop and jettison Jason on those hot days. Well, hope you enjoyed the flybys. We're gonna come up to the farm road, so we're gonna do our norm, go through the gears. Hey, your obligatory first, second, third, fourth, which is we're getting around town to overkill with fifth and sixth. But then when you want to get on a little bit, at this point, drop down to fourth, drop down to second, and now, let's go. And as you can see, it could keep going and going and going and going, but we're not going to keep going because we know how fast it really is. It does everything with ease and comfort. It is one of the nicest 993s we've had in a long while. Not to say there aren't others that are as good, because there are. But once again, and the final time I will say this, they are not often had in pastel yellow with a factory Aero kit. So it's pretty cool and not the norm. So thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching, everyone.